How do you say I'm hungry in Portuguese? The phrase I'm hungry in Portuguese is tenho fome. Tenho fome. Tenho fome. Vamos comer. Tenho fome. Vamos comer. I'm hungry. Let's eat. Desculpa. Estou com fome. Desculpa. Estou com fome. Sorry, I'm hungry. Tens fome? Tens fome? Are you hungry? Literally, tenho fome means I have hunger, and it uses the verb ter, which means to have. You'll notice that Portuguese uses ter or tenho a lot when we would use I am in English. Tenho fome means I am hungry, or literally I have hunger. Tenho sede, I'm thirsty, or literally I have thirst. Tenho sono is I'm sleepy, or literally I have sleepiness. Tenho muita fome. Tenho muita fome. I'm really hungry. Ainda tens fome? Ainda tens fome? Are you still hungry? Não tenho fome agora. Não tenho fome agora. I'm not hungry right now. So if you want to say I'm hungry in Portuguese, you can say tenho fome. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado!